In this video, you will learn how to set up an email in Siteground. Setting up an email for your domain in Siteground is easy. Just follow these simple steps. Go to the Siteground website and log in using your credentials, such as your password and your username. After logging in, go to the Site Tools for your website where you want to set up an email. Under the website section, select Site Tools for your domain you'd like to use the email with. Then, to set up your email account, in Site Tools, navigate to the Email section in the left-hand menu. Click on the Email Accounts, click on Create New Account button, fill in your details such as choose your email address that you want, create a strong password, and leave this for a specific storage limit for your Gmail account. Once you fill in the required fields, click Create Account. Your Gmail account will be created. You can also access email directly through Siteground's webmail interface. Go to Site Tools, Email, then Email Account. Next, choose your new email account on the Access Webmail. You'll be able to choose the webmail application, such as Roundcube or Horde. Choose the one that you will be taken to your inbox. Test your email. Send a test email to form your new email account to make sure that everything is working properly. Check that you can receive and send mail without any issues. If that is working, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.